Now we are discussing about money making options. In that, sell second hand textbooks. One smart way to make extra money is to buy other students' textbooks cheaply at the end of the year. Then sell them just after Freshers Week. This is when the new intake of students know that they need them. So demand and prices will be higher. You can either advertise on campus or list them on Amazon Marketplace. They do take a commission on books sold. So for common man, it will be very useful because second-hand textbooks are mostly required for poor people, those who passed 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class likewise. They want to purchase old books because new books and new textbooks, if they purchase, means double of the cost. In the 50% of the cost, they can get second-hand textbooks of the old students. By that, they can save certain money and they can read very well and they can pass the examinations successfully. So, selling second-hand textbooks is also a very good business option and it is also a very good money-making option. Not only that, you are giving an opportunity to the common man to read and to educate them and to survive them for local costs also. So, it is useful to all of the common people. So, we should also encourage them. We should bless them also selling second-hand textbooks. Wishing you all the best.